Welcome to our comprehensive guide on over-the-air updates, also known as OTA updates. This technology enables remote firmware management for Internet of Things devices. OTA updates represent one of the most critical capabilities in modern IoT ecosystems, allowing devices to receive software updates wirelessly without requiring physical access. This means devices can stay secure, gain new features, and fix bugs without human intervention at the device location. An OTA update, or over-the-air update, is a method of wirelessly delivering software updates, firmware patches, and configuration changes to IoT devices without requiring physical access or manual intervention. Think of it exactly like your smartphone receiving automatic updates. When your phone downloads a new operating system version overnight, that is an OTA update in action. Similarly, IoT devices like smart thermostats, fitness trackers, connected cars, and industrial sensors can receive updates remotely. This eliminates the need for technicians to visit each device location, saving tremendous amounts of time and money. OTA updates matter for several critical reasons. First, they provide massive cost savings. Imagine having thousands of sensors deployed across a city. Without OTA updates, you would need to send technicians to each location for every software update. This is not only expensive but practically impossible at scale. Second, OTA updates enable rapid security patches. When a vulnerability is discovered, you can deploy fixes to thousands or millions of devices within minutes instead of months. Third, they allow instant feature deployment. You can add new capabilities to existing devices remotely, extending their useful life and value. Finally, they enable new business models where hardware can be updated with premium features over time. The OTA update process follows 4 main steps. Step 1. Developers prepare the update. They create and thoroughly test the firmware update package to ensure it works correctly and does not introduce bugs. Step 2. The update is uploaded to a secure cloud server. This server acts as the central distribution point for all devices. Step 3. IoT devices periodically check the server for available updates. When a new update is detected, the device downloads it wirelessly over Wi-Fi, cellular, or other network connections. Step 4. The device installs the update and reboots. During installation, the new firmware replaces or supplements the old version, and the device restarts to run the updated software. This entire process happens automatically, often without any user awareness. Security is absolutely critical for OTA updates because they represent a potential attack vector. 6 essential security measures protect this process. First, encryption ensures that updates are encrypted during transmission to prevent attackers from intercepting and reading the data. Second, digital signatures use cryptographic methods to verify that updates come from the legitimate manufacturer and have not been tampered with. Third, secure boot ensures that only trusted, verified firmware can run on the device. Fourth, authentication requires devices to verify the server's identity before downloading anything, preventing man-in-the-middle attacks. Fifth, integrity checks validate that the update file was not corrupted during download or modified by attackers. Finally, rollback protection prevents attackers from forcing devices back to older versions with known vulnerabilities. These layers work together to create a robust security framework. There are 2 primary methods for delivering OTA updates: full updates and delta updates. Full updates replace the entire firmware image on the device. This method is simpler to implement and guarantees a complete system refresh, but it requires larger file sizes and longer download times. This approach works well when you have reliable, high-bandwidth connections. Delta updates, on the other hand, only transmit the parts of the firmware that have changed. This dramatically reduces file sizes, speeds up downloads, and saves bandwidth costs. Delta updates are especially valuable for devices with limited connectivity or expensive data plans. However, they require more complex implementation because the device must apply patches correctly to transform the old firmware into the new version. The choice between these methods depends on your device constraints, network capabilities, and implementation complexity tolerance. implementing OTA updates comes with several significant challenges. Network issues present a major obstacle. Devices may have unreliable connectivity that can interrupt downloads midway. This requires implementing resume capabilities and retry mechanisms so devices can pick up where they left off. Power constraints create another challenge. Battery-powered devices may lose power during an update, which can brick the device or corrupt the firmware. Solutions include checking battery levels before starting and using dual partition systems. Storage limits affect devices with minimal memory. These devices need special techniques to store both old and new firmware versions during the update process. Finally, device diversity complicates update management. When you have different hardware models, firmware versions, and network protocols, creating a unified update system becomes complex. You need robust version management and compatibility checking to ensure updates go to the right devices. Following best practices ensures successful and safe OTA deployments. First, use staged rollouts. Deploy updates to a small group of devices first, monitor for problems, then gradually expand to the full fleet. This catches issues before they affect all devices. Second, implement automatic rollback capabilities. If an update fails or causes problems, the device should automatically revert to the previous working firmware. Third, perform battery checks before updates. Ensure devices have sufficient power to complete the entire update process. Fourth, maintain clear version control with proper firmware versioning and compatibility matrices so you always know which updates work with which devices. Fifth, allow update scheduling so updates happen during off-peak hours or low-activity periods, minimizing disruption to device operations. Sixth, implement comprehensive monitoring and logging. Track update success rates, log failures with detailed error messages, and use this data for continuous improvement of your update process. OTA updates are transforming numerous industries with real-world applications. In automotive, companies like Tesla pioneered using OTA updates to deliver performance improvements, new features, and bug fixes to vehicles remotely. Your car literally gets better over time. In smart homes, devices like thermostats, door locks, security cameras, and lighting systems receive security patches and new features without technician visits. Wearables including fitness trackers and smartwatches regularly receive health monitoring features, user interface improvements, and bug fixes through OTA updates. Industrial IoT leverages OTA to update factory sensors, machinery, and equipment without shutting down production lines, saving enormous costs. Medical devices like insulin pumps, heart monitors, and diagnostic equipment receive critical safety updates remotely, improving patient care without device replacement. Agriculture uses OTA updates for smart irrigation systems and environmental monitoring equipment deployed across vast farm areas where physical access is impractical. The future of OTA updates is evolving with exciting new technologies. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will revolutionize update management by optimizing update timing based on device usage patterns, predicting potential failures before they occur, and personalizing device configurations for individual users. Blockchain technology promises decentralized verification systems for tamper-proof update distribution and enhanced authenticity validation without relying on centralized servers. Edge computing will process updates closer to devices rather than in distant cloud servers, enabling faster deployment, reduced server load, and lower latency. 5G integration will provide ultra-fast network speeds, enabling larger, more frequent updates with minimal latency, supporting more sophisticated IoT applications. As billions more devices come online, OTA updates will become even more critical for maintaining security, adding features, and ensuring the entire IoT ecosystem remains functional and valuable. OTA updates are truly transforming how we maintain and improve IoT devices, making them more secure, efficient, and future-ready.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.